So we are starting a new project, and we are a little further along. The washer dryer has been moved out, and so we are on a pine floor, old bathroom. This shower box, which is obviously going out, the toilet stays where it is, but this closet behind will get removed, and we'll use the door from the back side of the closet to make this way wider open and close this wall here, which will give us more room for the vanity. And we'll have a custom cabinetry with the washer dryer stack up here in the corner. And this is the after. We were working with a very talented designer who lives in this house, and all her ideas were brilliant. So removing this closet, if you remember, closing this wall made this bathroom feel much bigger. And here we go with the curbless walk-in linear drain shower, 3 slope with nice large niche and herringbone pattern. Because we are beside the window, then we have this little piece of glass just to keep the water from watering the flowers. And this is a little nice detail with these doors hiding the appliances, washer and dryer. And also unique, first time we did install in the cabinetry this drying rack where you can have your clothes nicely drying inside the cabinet. And to promote the drying, there's a floor vent right underneath for the nice airflow. And obviously custom cabinetry, nice mirror, some nice lights. And so this is it. It was very nice, fun project. We ran into a lot of problems, unfortunately, with the floor, which we had to rebuild, but that's a different story. It's all done now. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.